Hello. What's up, guys? Vulcan Trader here. Just doing a review of what I'm doing. Still holding all the same stuff basically. Other than I sold my Wish. Maybe that was a bad decision. We'll see. Just didn't look good at the open and just dumping a bunch. I'll show you why in a second. But maybe I made the wrong call. Can't ever know the future for certain. But yeah, so it's up today some, not a bunch. We'll see if I can break this level. But anyway, I'm already out of it. But right here, when it at the open, it was rocking it up and then dumped on really high volume and then eclipsed that entire candle. That was just looking too weak for me, and didn't know if it was gonna be able to hold up further. So I sold it right there after that happened. Any big outside reversal on the daily or even an intraday outside reversal on high volume like that, I usually try and get out. But yeah, I'm buying Workhorse actually. It's looking really good. So it still in the high interest stocks. It's the highest interest one, and I was just right here. If you draw a line right here, just broke above it right here. So that's a really good entry, I think. So we'll see how that works out, and I just have a stop, like maybe not right here, but you could do the stop. Let's see. Let's do it. Let's do the real official way here. So our entry's here. I'm gonna say the stop. It's always best to put the stop a little. Why does this do this? There we go. So entry right there. Maybe have the stop maybe right here or something. I'm gonna say, and then have the target right there. Yeah, I know I was in it before. I probably should have had that in the first place, but yeah, I gotta have something. I say here just because it could still come down and fill the gap right here, but it looks like it's breaking above it. We'll see. Maybe we have it right there. Still like a 3.25 risk reward ratio, something like that, and then but I'd say it could go up here, fill the gap up to 31. So maybe that's what we'll do on that one. But if but as far as yeah, and then UWMC, it's actually a pretty good falling wedge pattern here. Still holding that. If it breaks down lower than this, I'm gonna get stopped out on it. And then same with ACAD. If it drops down below the low of yesterday, I'm gonna stop out on it. Yeah, I really want to be in crypto this year, I guess is what it comes down to. If I was just trading stocks, then I would be probably holding these longer with a wider stop. But everything's opportunity cost, and I want to not hold on to anything else too long or too much, because I expect this to get broken in the next couple weeks, the 50-day moving average, or a drop down here to the 20. So I'm going to have to drop those in. And then anyway, maybe I should just have a wider stop until then. I don't know. I'll think about it. But anyway, so sometimes I'm just stream of thought, throwing my ideas out here, kind of like journaling. But yeah, that's it. So I'm just still holding all my crypto stuff. I'm not worried about it dropping yesterday, anything. Didn't panic sell anything, if anyone's curious about that. And obviously, and like I said, my plan was to average down even more just in my stock account, and then I sell all my long-term crypto holdings that I haven't sold or anything. Which is actually larger than my stock account, so majority of my net worth. But I think that's it. Yeah, so like, subscribe, throw me a comment. Talk to you later. Oh, well, let's see. Wait, let's go to the general market. Actually, I feel like let's see, all the growth stocks actually been kind of breaking out, turning up. Like like Peloton broke out of this little area here. Everything's green. That actually looks like Fastly. That's a great setup there, actually. If you want to take that, if it breaks above here, like above 59, that's a really good setup. Stop like 50, and then your target could be somewhere up here. That's a good one, actually. But anyway, yeah, so all that's looking good. The indexes, they're all up, breaking out to new all-time highs. Same thing with the spot. Broke this and then bounced back up. We could still see, if we start to see like a close below the 50-day moving average, basically, or below this line, then maybe you'd want to be worried again, but that we could have a little mini crash. But let's see, how is the growth index looking? Yeah, it's looking fine, looking like about to turn up, and we got, you know, more consolidation here. We might be getting ready for another leg up in the bull market, actually. We shall see. But yeah, so I'm looking there, and then all the yeah, that's it. All right, anyway, like, subscribe, hit the notification thing if that's still even there. I don't even know, but yeah, and let me comment.